Let's try to draw the woodpecker in just few simple steps. Woodpecker is a bird that has a long beak and its beak is so strong that it's always trying to break the wood off the trees. Just have a careful look. You just have to draw the circle, then some curved shape, D-shaped body, and then it's so easy. We are going to draw a simple bird and it's very easy. Pause the video and follow the steps as shown here. Fill it with some beautiful colors. For this one we need the orange colored sketch pen, then we are making the circle and filling it with the same orange color. After that, using a black sketch pen, we are drawing the details of the beetle so that it will look very interesting and it will look so fascinating to the kids. It's very less time consuming and you can draw it very well. Pigs are cute animals and they are usually pinkish peach in color, and today we are going to draw the one. For this we are going to make a circular shape that's uneven as shown here. Then the dots here denote the eyes and the broad circle denote the nose of the pig. This curvy line denotes the dolphin, and dolphin is having a lot of fun in the water as shown here. She is happy and is having fun. Fill it with the blue color and show the surroundings of the water as